Welcome to Ultimate Python course of 101 awesome must-know programs. Hey Techlearners, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. In the last lesson, we had seen the problem number 4 of 101 awesome Python programs. In the problem number 4, we had seen that how we can swap the values of two variables using the third temporary variable. So here we can say this was the actual logic, that is these three statements where we had used a temporary third variable. Now to reduce the memory requirement, we will be doing this without using the third variable. So all these statements are similar. In the first statement, we will take num1 from the user using the input function, giving them the message and then typecasting it into float and storing the value into num1. The second statement is also similar. We have used input function, we have given the message to the user and we have typecasted the value in float and stored it into the num2. Then we have used the print statement, we have used the formatted print statement to print the message and the variables together. This is a single statement that we need to replace three statements and used the temporary variable. So we need to write num1 comma num2 is equal to num2 comma num1. First variable here on the left hand side will be replaced by the value of first variable on the right hand side. Then the second variable's value will be replaced by the second variable's value in the order. So we need to follow the proper order. Let's say if we have three variables, so if we have a comma b comma c, and if we write b comma c comma a, then definitely this b will be saved into a, this c will be saved into c, b, and this a will be saved into c. In the same fashion, we have written num1 comma num2, and now we have replaced this by num2 comma num1. So this num2 will go in num1 and the value of num1 will go to num2. So the tedious task we had done in the three steps can be simplified in a single statement. Now let's see this code in the VS Code. So I have written the similar code in the VS Code and saved the file using the 5.py. So this is the first statement, second, third the printing statement, and this is the main statement where we are performing the swapping without using the third variable and saving the memory. So let me execute this using this run button in the Python. Here it is asking us to enter the first number. I'll be using, let's say, 6.4, and then the second number I'll be using 7.2. Now I'll hit the enter button and we can see before swapping num1 was 6.4, num2 is 7.2, and after swapping num1 became 7.2 and num2 is now 6.4. I would request you all to please mention in the comment what is your goal of learning Python, so that I can also add problems that will help you in achieving your goal. And do not forget to subscribe the channel so you do not miss any of these 101 awesome bite-sized lessons. You can also share this tutorial or playlist with your friends. Very soon I'll be coming with a bonus problem. Yes, that means out of the 101 problems, I also have some bonus problems that are based on real world problems and attractive solutions, where you will be learning to create GUIs and performing tremendous tasks. Till then, have a nice day. Keep liking, subscribing and sharing the videos. Thank you so much.